my beautiful resort in the middle of a rainforest, and it's raining, so it's nice. Do you want to check over in this ranch here? I'll show you. We are in the middle of a rainforest, and it's just covered down. If you think you'd be in the rainforest, there'd be no rain. I mean, there'll be rain, but there's rain. But no snow. Not in the rainforest. And all you hear is the rain. The rainforest. But birds do come around sometimes. Maybe we might see a kangaroo or wallaby hanging around too when it's not raining. Yeah. It's going to be really nice and comfy here.
You want to show us around some more?
Right here. Oh. What?
You want to show us through?
Oh yeah. Oh, right. It's so relaxed. It's the rain. It's fall asleep. Lounge here. And you can peekaboo into the bedroom. And then you can come in into the light. Voila, there's light. And then is the nice spa area. And the complimentary creams, body balm, exotic island body balm. Body balm. Put it on your body. Nice. Rainforesty like. It's really nice. Look at that. All this up.
Well, that should be lovely when you have a nice relaxing spa
Smells
later.
nice.